check it out. This is Creality's new Ferret 3D scanner, and I got it. Today's April 22nd, on my birthday. I ordered it for myself, but it came before Creality's website even said it would come. The 4th of May is when it said it would come. So this came in. I'm very excited to try it out. Right now it's about 350 bucks US. But it could make you a lot of money depending on how easy it works. I'm not going to show too much of it because somebody will probably steal me barcode or something. Who knows? Not going to show much of the box, I mean. Nice boxed. It's not made for a shelf, to be on a shelf and say, hey, buy me. It comes in a box just like the Creality, or the my DJI drone. Perfect. Nice case. It'll protect it, but it isn't perfect. If a semi runs over it, it's a goner. A little wrist strap to put your hand through. And get your hand stuck in there. No lock to lock it, which somebody will just steal the whole device instead of taking it out. Got the manual. I'm going to take the manual and go across. If you guys are wanting to read this, pause it, screenshot it, and then look at your screenshots. It looks like it, at the time it is not supporting Mac computers or Apple phones. Don't know why they wouldn't release this. If you see right here, even on the website, it didn't show anything about Apple. But they already have a product out that's a lot more money. I don't know why they wouldn't have just used the software off of it and slowly changed it into something. Nice mount. Just gonna play with it a little bit. What does that do? Guess we'll get to that in a bit. I'd seen how that was in there and I didn't quite care for how it was in there. Oh well, we'll leave that out. Phone holder. It's the same cheap one that you can buy anywhere. It even feels like it. They normally don't have this though. Definitely hold my phone. I know where my phone's at. Put that back in there. I did not know this had a battery built into it. 4,500 milliamp battery. That's pretty nice. 5 volt, 2 amp in, and it puts out 2.5 amps. So it's going to, if you're charging it and using it at the same time, it's going to die on you as you use it. Has USB-C and regular USB. Normal little camera mount at the top. It must automatically turn on when you plug something into it. Cords must be at the top. We will get to the device last. Hey Google, make it bright. As always, a little piece of paper to prove that it's from them. Not like you can put that in something different. Oh, really long cord. What's this one? USB-C screws in like the old ports on monitors to USB 3.0 type A. And this one's USB-C to USB-C angled. Oh, it's got 2 wires going into it. Let's open this one. This one's actually piqued my curiosity. It also comes with a wrench, or a Allen wrench. So it's angled. It shows you one being plugged into this, one being plugged into the power. Oh, no, this goes to the device. This goes to power. So then what's that one? When you plug it into your computer? This must be just if you're running off of that. Very light. Actually, it's like the perfect weight. I don't mean it's light. I mean it is well weighed. It isn't going to blow away if you put it down on the tripod. Actually, it feels really firm. I was thinking about it last night, if they're going to put one so you can hold it like this. So that way if your hand is out, if it would stay out of the way. There's the front, has a nice little tear off. I'm going to tear off on the using video. Software download code, great jobs and an easy way. I thought this thing folded and covered its lenses, because they show it sliding into your pocket, and I really assumed like it folded up somehow. Definitely want like a cover over this if you're sliding in your pocket. That is definitely this. So the one that has the screw holes, oh, that's nice. You can go upwards or downwards because there's only one screw, and there's a screw both ways. That's nice. Class A laser. See our scan. That's basically it for it. Let's go ahead and plug it in, see if it came with any juice in it. I've never seen USB with a thing like that. I think I just put it in upside down. I think USB-C kind of stays in itself. Fits in there nice and firm. I'm going to slide this on there. Slide it, screw it. That don't even screw in there. You have to use their adapter, really? That's great, I guess. So you'll just need an adapter to screw it down to the smaller, oh shoot. Yeah, I didn't quite understand that. And then this should make it so it tilts, right? And if you tighten that, it doesn't tilt. Okay, duh. I knew that's what it was, but I couldn't do it when it was off. Okay, let's see if it has any juice in it. Plug in this one first. It says it's fully charged, if you guys can see them lights. May have too bright of a light on right now. I don't see anything kicking on it, so we'll plug this one in. Or is that to plug into your phone? Yeah, that's to plug into your phone. What am I doing there? And then that plugs into your phone. But, oh man, this is a crazy mess. Okay, so they want you to put this in like this. I guess it ain't too crazy. And then your phone will plug into there. I like that. This will still rise even though that's on there. And then this plugs right into the side. And then you can set it down. Obviously I have the phone pointed the wrong way, but your phone would plug right into there. It's definitely built really well. I don't know about 350 bucks because after taxes you're almost at 400. But we'll have to see how well it scans. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.